Hello kids. Let's learn letter E words. Look carefully and answer. We live on this planet. What is this? Earth. Can you say it? Earth. E is for Earth. A large animal with a trunk. What is this? Elephant. Can you say it? Elephant. E is for elephant. You eat it for breakfast. What is this? Egg. Can you say it? Egg. E is for egg. It moves up and down in a building. What is this? Elevator. Can you say it? Elevator. E is for elevator. You listen with it. What is this? Ear. Can you say it? Ear. E is for ear. It is a bird that cannot fly. What is this? Emu. Can you say it? Emu. E is for emu. You plug it into electricity. What is this? Extension cord. Can you say it? Extension cord. E is for extension cord. A small digital picture used in chats. What is this? Emoji. Can you say it? Emoji. E is for emoji. A small magical creature. What is this? Elf. Can you say it? Elf. E is for elf. It makes a vehicle move. What is this? Engine. Can you say it? Engine. E is for engine. A number after 7. What is this? 8. Can you say it? 8. E is for 8. A long fish that lives in water. What is this? Eel. Can you say it? Eel. E is for eel. You do it to stay fit and healthy. What is this? Exercise. Can you say it? Exercise. E is for exercise. It is a part of your arm. What is this? Elbow. Can you say it? Elbow. E is for elbow. You wear them to see clearly. What is this? Eyeglasses. Can you say it? Eyeglasses. E is for eyeglasses. You wear them on your ears. What is this? Earrings. Can you say it? Earrings. E is for earrings. It gives light. What is this? Electric bulb. Can you say it? Electric bulb. E is for electric bulb. You see with it. What is this? Eyes. Can you say it? Eyes. E is for eyes. It flies high in the sky. What is this? Eagle. Can you say it? Eagle. E is for eagle. You eat it. It is long and soft. What is this? Eggplant. Can you say it? Eggplant. E is for eggplant. Great job! You learned so many E words. Can you say them again? Next, let's learn letter F words. Subscribe for fun learning videos of all letters A to Z.